This is the engine balancer shaft, and the wheel on these is quite prone to cracking. What happens is you get hairline cracks from the centre and they work their way out, and you can end up with quite a bit of play where the wheel sits on this shaft. This one's really good. Well, it's perfect. So I'm going to reuse this. That's quite rare to find a perfect wheel. What I have here is a aluminium custom made copy which I would be using if this was damaged at all. I'd be using that, but I'm not going to take this off because they are so awkward to remove. They're on so tight that just trying to get that off would probably damage it. Would probably well, it is difficult to get them off without any damage, so it's best off leaving this and reusing it, because there's nothing wrong at all with that. And in the future, you know, I may need to use this. Unfortunately, I don't have any more. This is a one-off. But of course, this is not going to break in the same way. But you will get, I expect, more noise with that version. There's more than likely the reason for them using this kind of, it's like a nylon type material. But that's presumably due to it's quieter running.